Hello innovators. Every minute over a million plastic bottles are used and discarded globally, contributing heavily to our pollution crisis. At the same time, the high cost of materials like 3D printer filament often limits hand-on innovation in schools. My name is Aman Yadav and I have also my teammate named Yash Verma. We are student of New Era School in Ghaziabad and we are proud to present transformation. Our solution is to turn local plastic waste into valuable learning tools.
Transformation is a low-cost, decentralized system designed for schools and communities. So basically, it have three stages. So first stage is shredding, collecting plastic wrappers and containers and convert it into them small flakes, and then coming to our second step, which is extrusion. Melt the flakes and then convert it into high quality standardized filaments. And coming to our final step, which is creation. So in this, these filaments are converted into any 3D object by our 3D printer.
Impact and value proposition. The impact of transformation is significant. Environmentally, we are reducing plastic pollution and promoting a circular economic mindset among youth. Educationally, we are democratizing innovation by creating affordable on demand filament, cut material cost by over 80%. This empower more students in our school and beyond to experiment, prototype and innovate without budget constraints. We are not just recycling, we are empowering the next generation of eco-conscious makers.
Transformation isn't just about melting plastic, it's about molding sustainable future. We turn trash into treasure. So let's build a change. Thank you.